So we got this Lotus, a very good client of ours. So this is what it sounds like before. Roberto, rev it a little bit. Again. So as you can see, it doesn't sound that great. But once we're done, it's gonna sound bitchin'. Carbon fiber. Sounds. Yep, sounds legit. I just confirmed it. Look at that. Miltech exhaust. We're remote to bypass it, on off, to make it quiet whenever you want to, and of course, make it louder to annoy everybody you possibly can. We love that. All right, so we're gonna do a cold start with the new Miltech full exhaust on it and some intake work. So. Sounds pretty clean. Yeah. The intake right here sounds really nice.
The intake does sound good.
Yeah, it does. So we'll see how she sounds once we get the new wheels on there and go for a test drive.